In our beautiful county of Northamptonshire, there is a castle, Rockingham Castle, and it was built on the instructions of William the Conqueror, and in its early days was a royal household, but for the last 1,000 years has been in the same family, the Watson family, which is pretty impressive, and so is the castle. So I'm going to show you, and it's actually going to cost me £10 to do that. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so it's £12. And the part of the house you can see along there is apparently the private residence. And there's the beautiful gardens. Most people seem to spend time trying to cut the hedge straight. Well, here it seems as if the curvier the better. Looks pretty impressive though.
watch the world from the place beneath the window.